Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add images in Wix. So there are different ways that you can do that. So the first one is you can actually change the image background of your pages. So see for example, this is my website right here and I want to change or upload an image to change the background. So to do that, you just have to click on the page. And now that you're here, you just have to select the selection background and then click on the change. Okay, then right here you have options to change the color, image, videos, or you can scroll down. You'll see different backgrounds right here. Now, if you want to upload your image, you just have to click on the image option, and then you've got different options right here from media from Wix, or you can click on the upload media. So you just have to click on it and then click on upload from computer, and you'll be redirected to your computer's folder. So you just have to locate the image that you want to use as your background. After that, you just have to click on open and then upload your image. Now, if you want to use a free stock images in Wix, so you just have to click on this options right here. So you've got site files, my boards, trash, and here in the explore option, you've got media from Wix, and then you've got Shutterstock and Splash. So you just have to explore, and then you have to find the right image background that you want to use. And then if you want to search for a specific background, so you just have to click on the search bar at the tab. So let's say for example, I want to search for a specific background, the media from Wix. So all I have to do is to click on the search bar at the top and then type out a specific word. So say for example, false. So maybe I want to use this image. So you just have to click on the image and then just click on the change background. Okay, and then now another thing that you can do if you want to change a background or to upload an image. So right here at the left side, be able to see the plus icon or the add elements icon. So all you have to do is to click on it. Okay, and then once you click on it, you'll be able to see here the image option. So it's just the same process. So you've got my images to upload and import. You've got free from Wix or free Wix illustrations, or you can also use the search bar at the top to search for specific thing or words for the image background. So see for example, I want to type out chair. Okay, and then after typing out, you just have to click on enter and then just select the image that you want to upload. So just click on it, and then after that, you just have to resize the image and then put it anywhere you want. Okay, so now I'll be showing you in how you can actually edit the image, what are the features that you can do. So first, you can actually change the image if you want to. So before that, let me just resize the image and place it in a proper position. Okay, so just for this video example, right here, when you click on the image, you'd be able to see the change image. You've got to edit image, and when you click on the change image, you can actually go to the same process again. You can upload your own media or use images from Wix. Okay, so after that, you'll be able to see here the edit image as well and go to the settings. So right here in the settings, you'd be able to change and adjust the image. So you've got also option right here that what you want to happen when the image is clicked. So a link opens, you can click on it, and then here you can also type the alt text if what is in the image. And then right here at the bottom, you can also see the option where does this image have a tooltip. So you can just click on it and then type it out. Then after that, you'll be able to see the design aesthetic. So just click on it. And then after that, this one will open. So basically, you'd be able to see here the image frame design. So you just have to select the frame design that you want to use. So see, for example, I want to use this or this circular frame. Okay, so just for this example, I want to use the square one. And then after that, you just have to close it. Okay, now for the next one is you can actually crop the image. So when you click on the crop option, okay, and then adjust this, you can actually crop your image. So when you click on this, you can actually zoom in and you'll notice we have a crop area or a crop box, and we can move the image around inside, or if we can click and drag the corners of the crop to change the crop. So there, and as well as a couple of other like reset proportions and some different features, then we could crop a specific shape and flip things like flip the shape that it crops obviously. Okay, now we have also options to change the filters of the image. You just have to click on the filters. Right here, you see a bunch of filters that you can use. So just see, for example, I want to use this kind of filter. So just have to save it. And then after that, you have the animation option and also linked. Okay, so that's a wrap. Those are the things that you can do in order to add an image and to edit the image. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.